Welcome back to another beautiful day here in sunny Southern California. The rain has cleared, looking good. So I decided to take the rear driver door off since, what was it, 2 days ago or so? I finished this one. Let me just give you a demo. Nice and flush here. Beautiful up top. Of course, I just took the door off, so nothing's gonna latch, but that wood looks good. Everything's fresh. Hinges are on. These hinge covers were rusty, so I have to make new ones. But the holes, all the threads are cleaned out and ready to go. Just gotta bend some metal. I ordered new stainless steel weather channel, the felt channel, to go all along here. Then I can put the window back in and put this door completely back together. There's some rust here on the floor. This is going to get cut out, but that's going to be tricky because underneath here is wood. Yeah, see? Metal doesn't do that. What were they thinking? All this. Let's see, I can take this skin off and get to the inside. You can get to the inside through this this wheel well cover. Can't see much, but it is possible. So this is all cracked, this is rotten, this is rotten, this is rusty, so all this piece is going to get replaced up into about here. Because it is rusty down here, but up front, it's fine. New floors are in. I got a vacuum, but they're waterproofed and painted, and I've got some undercoat to go on the underside and inside on the wood. Sad to cover that up, but it needs to happen. So, I took the engine hoist out to get this door off, to relieve pressure off of these screws so I wasn't breaking all my drill bits. It's quite a piece. I wonder if these are... Is it supposed to be like that or if that's worn? This feels better. And we've got some rot on the inside here too. Kind of saw that coming. That still works. Good, we get a sample of the door rubber to order more of that. I spent like half an hour cleaning and adjusting this last night just to take the freaking door off. So remember, don't jump ahead of yourself. Don't do as I do. Isn't that just appetizing right there? Anyway, okay, so the door's off, and I'm gonna start pulling the panel and the trim and handles off of it so I can get into that wood. And we'll get back to it when I go to that hinge area. That'll be fun. Shit! I missed one. Okay, just about done with the rear driver's side door. All the wood pieces are cut. I've made a little bracket here just for some extra stability, and it will also help to support that felt channel. Sorry. I was like, something good. Alright, yeah, that's good. Oh, my bar. Usually when you come here, I'm going to go to yeah, but right. Yeah, I'll get everyone out. Yeah. What you did, little jerk! You don't finish. Yeah, I'll look at that upgrade stuff. Yeah. 2 or 1 is okay. 1. I don't know. I like how I'm are you fine? It's just a commercial. I'm like, I was or something? Yeah. Okay. Where you go to? That's a lady. Or why? I think lost. Oh, because they pull out and leave. Wait, was it black in there? Yeah, that's ours. No, she did mine right away. And then she went there, went to her house. So I think it was their friend. And then she said, oh, they're a big house. And then she pulled yours back up to mine and then yeah. She parked in that garage. Oh, okay. Yeah. I thought you would go anywhere. What? There's real right I go too high. Yes, it's like a stick. That's actually quite rough because I cut this piece of shape and the lemons are the exact size I need for this. Wow. Oh, yeah, can you adjust that camera like this size? Yeah. There you go. Piece of furniture is taken down. Nice. Nice. You know, this is not nice. It's very nice. This was really nice. Really? Yeah. Yeah. It's quite good. I was unusual. Wow. Yeah, that's right. It feels good. It really is not first. No, it's a good one. I like the next piece. Oh, no, it's the hell is it's not oak. No. Walnut. It's from the 40s. 40s. No, 40s. It's that house in New Jersey. Acacia. Acacia. Yeah, house in the house. I know this Acacia would be very teens. All right, Snark. Yeah. I don't like this. It's not working, then phone not filling. But still everything's good. That's the only thing. I think I'm going to take this guy off. Anything right? Are you all that anything there? How was it? After you match up? No. What is this? Today is 0. No, no, today you send me the house, that's it. Really? Fuck, that's good. Oh, after? No. How's that going? I'm not even sure. Really? Yeah. Wow. You're going to go on your sugar? No. What's taking people on? Oh, yeah. I don't know about that. Ow! I don't know what's going on. Losing your patience. Oh, hang around. Fuck up. Enough. Ring wheel, forward. That's it. No. Where's my cut right here? And then we're gonna. Oh, bitch. Oh. Oh, it's cutting the nail. Oh. Would you just like cut the story, please? Tiffany. Okay, now get this around. Oh, really? Then you're going to say. See what I mean? Yeah, it's a little further too. Yep. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. There we go. This bitch has got boots. Are you expecting to go sides of the Sorry, that's a piece. So I'll just spell more. I want to do it right away also, but... Enough. That's a boom. Inches. Inches might help. I have to go to the shop tomorrow. One more. One piece of 1 inch by 10 feet. What do you 8 feet without it? It's like full 7 feet to one length of walkers. Fuck me. Oop. Oh. So that's right about this. Sometimes $400 for white defense. That is 110 feet of white defense. Okay. Each panel is 112 inches by 3 inches high, 45 inches depth. That's a regular height. Yep. That's not bad. The thing is, like, the fence itself is kind of not super easy to locate. Yeah. How long is it? 110 feet. It's not. It's like 5 feet. Yeah, exactly. That's your side yard. Maybe? Yeah. Maybe side yard? Maybe. Yeah. Is it right there? No? Yeah. I'm going to put this. Let's go. So move it around. Let's go. Right there. Bingo. Oh, I got the hose to throw ahead. Oh, right. Yeah. Yep. No. Okay, cool. I think I put it right down. Yeah. Oh, that's right. Yeah. Right. You have it on track. Oh. I'll forget. Let's do it. Ooh. God damn it. Look what you've done. Solid. Oh, that's schmutz in there. That's it now. Okay. That's the schmutz. Yeah. All right. Let's get that piece. I think that last. No pause here. Das ist Schmutz, ja. The driver's side loading door is just about done. The glass is in, the mechanisms are in, everything's greased. So we just need to get, I'm waiting for some more felt channel, or not channel, but felt strip to put on the back side of the that cover that goes there, that the nameplate sits in. And I'm going to clean up the rusty piece that connects the top to the bottom. And then there's some canvas that gets nailed in here and gets connected up here. So I have some OD green canvas that's going to replace the old OD green canvas. And that's it. It can go back on. I still have to drill holes for the hinges. I'll clean the metal up, drill them, tap them, do all that. And we're looking good. Here is the driver loading door, ready to go back in. Got the hinges on, cleaned up and oiled. Slide nicely. Everything's bolted back on with the original hardware. New window felt. You know, put some more oil in there. But she's ready to go. Here's the rocker. This is going to come later today if I can figure out how to get the remnants of the old door frame out. So here's our workspace for today. This metal piece I cut off just to access it, because otherwise you got to take the whole floor off, and that didn't need to happen because the rest of the floor is fine. This piece and this piece need to come out. There's 2 more bolts holding this guy in, and a couple screws coming from the bottom holding this guy in. So I might slice through those just to get it out, cut these, push them from the bottom upward just to get the wood out. And then when I put the new piece in, I can come at an angle, or from this angle, to go straight up here to keep that in place. So yeah, once that rocker piece is back in and sitting here, then I can start making this guy. And that's what's going to hold the rear door hinges in place. And as you can see, there's not much left. That thing was fucked. This cast aluminum piece was just for stability. So it's going to sit on the new wood, bolt in behind this guy. So I'll clean that up a little bit. I might even cut some more of this metal off after I measure it just to have better access. Maybe not, we'll see. We'll see how my luck fares out today. And then all this is going to have to come off. I'm going to have to slice this up to here, take off the interior panel just to get this piece out so I can make one long piece, because that's a lot of weight going to be resting on that. So, but there's your update. Again, that one's done, and that one's done. So let's get to it. The body is off the chassis to get all the rotted wood out. And there it is. The rocker, the main sill, and some support for the rest of the body. Because there's a beam that runs all the way across to that side. So that was just holding that up. That guy to those two bolts. And then that sat on top of this. All right. I've got the main piece cut for the sill, so I'll pop that in. And then I'm going to make this support piece, and then we'll lower the body back onto it. And then we can start rebuilding the rocker, because the subform was all wood. And then the metal sheet gets folded over it. And there you have it.